Hello guys, I just wanted to share this brand new Vidnami update with you. They're adding 15 brand new instant ads and a free 14-day trial to try it out. So check out the video presentation as it's only a minute long, and let's get a look at what they're talking about.
Hi guys, I'm back with some exciting news. With Black Friday quickly approaching, now is the perfect time to create ads and promote your upcoming special offers. And on that front, we've got you covered. Say hello to 15 brand new pre-made Black Friday ads you'll find already live in Vidnami. Here's how instant ads work. First, click the Create a New Video button and head to the Instant Ad Template category here. Here you'll see all 15 new Black Friday instant ads mixed in with the other available instant ads. If you want to only see the Black Friday ads, you can use this drop-down menu up here. All Black Friday ads have an example video for you to watch. Once you find an ad you want to use, just click Use this template. Next, give your ad a title. Then, check out the scene text and tweak it to suit your business. Then select your voice option. We recommend the no voice track option for most ads. And you're done. Just load the video up into preview and check out your finished ad. So all the best for Black Friday. We can't wait to see what you guys come up with. And as always, reach out to support if you run into any problems. If you're already subscribed, you'll find the new Black Friday ads in the instant ad section. If you don't have a copy of Vidnami yet, you can sign up for a 14-day free trial by clicking the button below.
So go ahead and click the link in the description to take advantage of this Black Friday special from Vidnami. By the way, guys, if you are interested in seeing a complete demo of how Vidnami works, check out the link in the description above this video. As you can see, there's no need to be on camera with this software. The software will do everything for you. You just simply pick the ad that you want to run, and it does all the rest without your needing to be on camera at all. So take advantage of this Black Friday special while it's available. Don't miss out on this one, guys. My name is Robert Poole. My website is enterpriseformula.com. I provide tips and strategies to help you with your online marketing. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I do another video. If you've been looking for a safe and effective program to help you get started with your online marketing, I have a free blueprint just waiting for you to take advantage of. Just click the link in the description below to get access to it.